Among the most typical questions people ask me about the law of attraction is how to utilize it to attract more money. Cash is just the energy of abundance, and the law of attraction can therefore be used deliberately to increase abundance in our lives. To understand how to increase the energy of abundance, consider this. The law of attraction is all about vibes. The word vibes comes from the longer word vibration. When we state we get an excellent ambience or a bad ambience from an experience, we are actually explaining favorable vibrations or unfavorable vibrations. Here is a crucial principle that is important to understanding how to utilize the law of attraction. Vibrations are created as an outcome of the ideas and words we use. The law of attraction is a powerful, universal law that merely reacts to our vibration by giving us more of the same, whether undesirable or wanted in every minute, consisting of right now. Meaning of the law of attraction. I draw into myself whatever I give my attention, focus, or energy to, whether undesirable or wanted. The law of attraction is an obedient law. Comprehending that, we wish to end up being more intentional offerers of the vibes that we are producing, utilizing the law of attraction to increase our abundance. We have actually learned up until now that all feelings produce vibrations, either negative or favorable. Abundance is a feeling, and that's great news. Why? All feelings can be duplicated. Abundance is a sensation, and that sensation has a corresponding vibration that we can replicate. In lots of cases, people are duplicating the sensation of despondence, absence, or unhappiness simply by the ideas and the words they use. Consider that we can create sensations by our thoughts and words. We can find out how to duplicate the sensations of abundance more intentionally, utilizing our words and thoughts. The very best news of all is, the law of attraction does not know if we are generating a thought by keeping in mind, pretending, producing, envisioning, or daydreaming. It simply reacts to our vibration in that minute. And we can only hold one vibration at a time. By developing the vibration of abundance more deliberately and more frequently, we are increasing abundance in our lives. I suggest that you devote to this procedure of deliberately replicating the vibration of abundance, by utilizing your thoughts, for the next 7 days. Start today. Here's the workout that will help you do that. Part 1. The belief that the only way to increase your abundance is to discover a way to earn more cash is a restricting belief. There are really many other ways that abundance can increase in your life. Here are 5 sources of abundance. Start with these and construct your list to 60 sources or more. Sources of abundance. Somebody treats you to lunch, or breakfast or supper. Somebody offers you free guidance or training. You receive gifts. You get free transportation or lodging. You get your 3rd cup of coffee free. Sequel. Keep a daily log of all the sources from which you are receiving abundance. Keeping an everyday log shows you concrete evidence that abundance does exist and is increasing in your life. When you notice abundance, celebrate the proof of it in your life, and while celebrating, understand that you are providing the positive vibration of abundance. Here's an excellent pointer. 2 minutes a day of intentional attention to abundance is better than no minutes. This exercise will have you giving off or using the vibration of abundance more intentionally and more often. Have a good time with this. Start doing this workout for the next 7 days and observe the things you can now start informing yourself. I'm so plentiful. I've attracted proof of abundance every day for the last 7 days. I'm so abundant, I have actually drawn in hundreds of dollars of totally free suggestions in the last 7 days. End up being a deliberate offerer of your vibration, and the law of attraction will obediently bring you more of the same. Cash is just the energy of abundance, and the law of attraction can for that reason be utilized deliberately to increase abundance in our lives. Abundance is a sensation, and that feeling has a matching vibration that we can replicate. By developing the vibration of abundance more deliberately and more frequently, we are increasing abundance in our lives. I recommend that you commit to this process of deliberately replicating the vibration of abundance, by utilizing your ideas, for the next 7 days. When you discover abundance, celebrate the proof of it in your life, and while celebrating, understand that you are offering the favorable vibration of abundance.